Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into the smile generation app review in order to check if the app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The smile generation my chat app gives patients a secure, easy way to manage their dental care. You can schedule appointments, message your dentist, complete e-check-ins, view past visits and x-ray, and even pay bills all from your phone. On the downside, some users raise serious concern like Trustpilot review claim billing issues, predatory payment plan, and poor communication from smile generation office. In my own opinion, the app is worth using if you're already a smile generation patient and you want a convenient way to manage your appointment and dental record. But if you are evaluating smile generation more broadly, these reputation concerns are worth digging into first before stick commitment. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more app review.